Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make your iPhone smartphone receive any phone calls automatically. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just go to the settings and just scroll down below, and now you will see your accessibility. Just tap on it. Now just tap on this touch option. Just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option written called audio routing. Just tap on it. Now you will see your auto answer calls. Just tap on it. Now just enable this option. Now you can see here there is a time option, so you can set it to 3 seconds or you can increase it to 5 seconds depending upon your needs. So I'll just keep it to 3 seconds. The minimum one is the 3 seconds, as you can see here. So after enabling this option, just minimize it. And now let me try to make a phone call on my iPhone smartphone. So finally you can see it has automatically received the phone calls. So you can see it has received the phone calls. As you can see here, the phone call has been received automatically. So now you can speak to the person who has called you. Now if you want to cancel, just tap on this and call, and it will get closed. So by using this method, you can easily make your iPhone smartphone receive any phone calls automatically very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.